Many Huawei users rely on Huawei Cloud to back up contacts, photos, and messages, but sometimes the Huawei Cloud backup failed error appears, causing concern about data safety. In this video, we'll show simple ways to fix it and restore your backup to keep your data safe. Part 1. Why Huawei Cloud backup fails when I need it the most. Unstable internet connection, insufficient cloud storage, outdated system or app, incorrect Huawei ID login, battery optimization restrictions, large data size, temporary system glitches, interference from third-party apps. Part 2. How to fix Huawei Cloud backup failed in 10 easy ways. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Fix 2. Update system and cloud app. Fix 3. Disable battery optimization for cloud app. Fix 4. Log in with the correct Huawei ID. Fix 5. Retry backup in smaller batches. Fix 6. Clear cache and temporary data. Fix 7. Restart your device. Fix 8. Remove failed backups and start fresh. Fix 9. Contact Huawei support if the issue persists. Part 3. How to use the best Huawei Cloud alternative for smooth backups. Huawei Cloud backup failed? Mobican Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac lets you back up and restore data easily on any Android device. Simple, secure, and widely compatible, an easy way to protect your data. How can I back up my Android phone without Huawei Cloud using Mobican Backup Manager for Android? Launch the software on your computer, connect your Android phone via USB, and enable USB debugging if needed. Select Backup from the options on the screen. Choose the types of data you wish to back up. Then, designate a location on your computer for storage. Finally, click on Backup to transfer the Android data to your computer.